just wanted to share some progress that's been done on the wireless desk lamp project. You can see that the basic shape and the basic CNC work is done. Now it needs to be just sanded thoroughly. I haven't yet decided on the finish of the whole thing, but yeah, it's ready for adding the electronic components. I thought I will show you the features that I added to this. So basically this is the light fixture. Under this plexiglass I will add the LED diodes and the RGB strips. This is the post that will house the wires, and both this part and the lower part will be glued together, so this will be permanently together. This piece was one-sided CNC work, and the rounded bits are just, well, first of all, dull tools, and I made these with the hand router. You can see the features right here, that there's some supports for the plexiglass, and also some support going around. This is the base part. For this model I had this plexiglass, and I just cut the cover from this one, but I believe this will be different color, and I believe it will be in matte. It should not be glossy because the reflection from the top would make some glare if you looked at it, but I don't know, maybe it looks good. I have to test it. So this is the middle part. Here will be a power switch and a charging port. These two screws are keeping this whole thing together, as you can see. This hole is nothing particular, but just to center the whole piece, because this was two-sided CNC job. You can see the hole where the wires will go to the base. Yeah, the second side with the CNC. And yeah, that's about it. Also, in the base part, I cut the groove for the battery, so the battery would stay lower and help to keep the profile of this thing lower, and help to gain some space for the switches and connectors up here. About the DMX addressing, I think that I will stick to the plan that basically each lamp will have a preset DMX address that you cannot change, but if you really have to, you can unscrew these screws, and then you can access the LED controller and change the address as you please. But the plan is that everything is set up, everything is tested before, then everything is shipped to the venue. You just put it on the table, turn it on, put the plate back, and it works. No DMX addressing, no nothing, just flip on the switch and everything should work. So yeah, I will keep you updated when I add the electronics and light sources, and let's see how it works.